Hey guys, welcome back to JR14. Here I am with another video for you guys, and today, unfortunately, the police are making me pull off the tints on Project Mark 7. Okay, so what we're doing today, like I said, we're going to be removing the tints off. So one of the things that we have here is a steamer, which is meant to steam clothes. Unfortunately, I keep getting pulled over. I wanted the tints because they look good. They look good on the car. They go well with a lot of the black accents. And unfortunately, the only issue that I'm having is that I keep getting stopped. Obviously, the police are really enforcing the fact of tints, which I think is a silly rule, but I can understand their case on it. Let alone, I try not to break the law, and I'm gonna actually be taking these off. So I'm gonna do the rear window first.
Jay, you don't like breaking the law?
Nope.
So no catless downpipe for you, because that's definitely breaking the law.
Well, I don't have catless downpipes. You do.
I'm just saying.
I have a cat.
Yeah, I'm just saying. Though.
Okay then, so I'm passing emissions, you're not.
Yeah.
So, you know, a couple of my buddies actually did take off their tents. Mike, he actually bought a new car. He's the one with the 5 Series. Unfortunately, all my footage from that video got corrupt, so I couldn't create the review video on that. However, he did pick up something new. You will see that on the channel very soon. And yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and heat up the back window. Now, when you're doing the back window, the one thing that you want to make sure of is the fact that you try not to peel off the defrost lines. If you do, your glass is done. Pretty much the rear glass has to be replaced at that point. I've heard of a couple people trying to replace the grid on the glass, but it's way too much money, it's way too much time to do so. So let's try to do it the right way, and we're gonna use this and we're gonna steam it up. But the first thing that we're gonna do is that we're actually gonna find a panel to peel off, because we need to get to the edge of the glass to where the tint is. So we're gonna peel. Sweet. Okay, so right here is the edge of the tent right there. So you can see that imperfection line that's not evenly across. That's the edge of the tent. Once we be able,
the tent guy. Oh, sorry.
No, he's not a bad. Literally, I didn't notice it. It was flushed all the way in here. But and what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna heat this up. Try not to get any water on the electronics or anything like that. We're gonna try to raise that piece up, and then once we do, we're able to pull away. So yeah, so let's go ahead and get that done.
So what Jay hasn't told you guys is that he's really getting rid of these tints in order to sell it and get a Beamer. He's liking the beams. He's liking the beams. I gotta go.
All right, so
good to put a rag on there.
Gotta put a rag on this, and you could put it directly on it, pretty much, and it basically peels right off. It's less than 2 years old, so the tint will actually be easier to take off on a newer car. Well, not a newer car per se, but
yeah, newer car, because
well, not even a newer car, just newer tint, because the tint is actually not as old and it doesn't get stuck on there like some cars do, like older cars do.
New generation tint too. This ain't the old stuff.
Yeah, so
new technology.
Dang, so. And this is not bad. Like when you take it off, like this is not bad. This is the tint. See this? See the white paint? White paint.
Well,
the rear one is removed, which means the other ones are going to be even easier to do. So back to so that's the rear glass
tint.
There's the rear glass tint. Going nowhere fast. What? Oh, we're pulling it off. If I move, I want to try installing it myself.
Installing the tent?
Yeah. Maybe, yeah.
Give me some HEAT. Damn, give me some good hotness.
The good way of doing it this way is that you leave no glue residue on the glass, because someone accidentally left it on his passenger window, but it was his first time doing it.
Nah, I didn't use any gun. It's at my mom's house, bro. I'm gonna use her blow dryer for her weave. No. My mom don't wear weave. She's actually bald. Well, not bald, but she actually has a...
Dude, I'm still filming.
So what? I don't even know about your mom being bald. What the heck?
She's not bald, but she has a low haircut. She doesn't wear weave. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Just do it. I'm getting a car cover, brother, man.
I have a car cover, but I never use it because the only reason, I mean, if I go on trips and stuff like that, I would love to.
Nope.
That was a BMW. That was an M4 or M3.
It could have been just a regular 435 with a boot mode stage 2. Aggressive, because that's exactly how mine sounds. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm definitely gonna I'm only gonna run like 1 second of burble, cause that pop.
You can change the duration of how much burble.
I can change the duration, the aggression, at what RPMs I wanted to do it at, because I'm that awesome.
I can't stand you, dude.
What?
I can't stand you.
So sit down. You see? Let me show you the finesse. One camera right here.
Come in,
one from the other side. Look. I'm gonna show you the finesse. Hold up. Let me keep finessing it. And get some heat on there.
Yeah. Burn your hand, keep playing.
Now just focus it right here for now. Oh yeah, get it nice and hot. Nice and steamy. Oh, you know what they say.
I got it. No, Mike, I don't want to know what they are. Oh, this one's spit. It's fine. It's fine.
No, don't. Just hold on. Jay. Stop it. Like, start it so you can bring it down as one. United. Okay? You know what they say? Divide and conquer. Just keep it united, bro. Look. Damn. Like a freaking... But you now do all these sides right here. So you can get it down even. Some kid wants me to review his 1996 Honda Accord slammed, right? So he tells me it's fully built.
That's interesting.
I said, what is it having? He said the engine swap and a tranny swap. So what tranny swap and engine swap does it have in it? I don't know. I bought it like that. So how do you know it has an engine and tranny swap? What engine did it originally come with? Oh no, the original motor blew, so the original motor and tranny blew, so they replaced it. That's not a swap, bro. That's just the original. That's the same motor, same tranny. It's just a replacement. A swap is different. Who will win the race? Because OBD11 though. Video is going to be in what side? Left side, right side of the OBD11? What side is it going to be?
What? If you haven't seen that video, in the upper, wait, that's my left, which is, my right is your left, so this way. So in the upper right hand corner of the screen, you'll be able to see that video.
And what can you do? Just a brief description of OBD11, bro.
With OBD11, you can do a bunch of different things. You can actually code your car, scan for codes, clear your codes, reset your maintenance minder. You could do a whole lot with OBD11. It's a useful tool. If you don't, like, let's say, have a Cobb access port where you can clear your codes or check your codes.
That's useful. I'm gonna click on that video. This seems to be the tint taken off of the... It doesn't even look like on camera that it's taken off, to be honest with you.
That's good.
It's really good, actually.
Actually, it's still not bad.
It's not bad at all.
It's not different.
Yeah, it really doesn't at all. But remember I said about the light, though.
But then when you put it all together, it prevents a lot of light from all inside the cabin.
Dark AF.
My boy actually just tinted his front windshield.
Your boy drives the what? Who tinted
Harry, MK7.
Oh, that's nice. His whole name.
Harry, he actually has an IS38 in his GTI with a
and he got that.
It's a I forgot the color of the M4.
Secure orange, SAHKIR orange.
Okay,
and it comes
BMW,
on the M4 and the M3.
And he repainted his car in that color, and it looks absolutely sick.
And he has IS38. Ooh, tell him some more.
Hopefully IS38 will happen with this car very soon.
But it's white though. It's Volkswagen white though.
Pure white.
Volkswagen white though. What does Volkswagen in German mean?
The people's car.
I thought it was the people's carrier, but
no, it's definitely the people's car.
I'm gonna look at it on Google.
Did you hear what he said?
Wagon.
I can't translate it to English, but you're speaking in English. But she could translate it into Spanish, Mediterranean, French, and a few others.
Okay, you're right. The people's car. Yeah. Whatever.
So
you own one, so you should know.
I'm one I should know, exactly. Yes. So guys, Project Mark 7 definitely
bit the dust.
No, didn't bite the dust. I'm glad that you guys have seen this video on how to remove tint. Like I said, all you need is an actual steamer to steam your clothes, a microfiber towel to wrap around it, and just a buddy, or you can actually do it by yourself, and a card. You can use a card or a razor blade. Card is recommended because you don't scratch your windows up. But without further ado, guys, I hope you guys enjoy. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to JR14. See you guys in the next one. Take care.